Hey boys and girls, how you doing? First of all, I'd like to say what a great job you did today on your PSSA writing. We're going to do another writing tomorrow, so I know you're going to bang that out and do a fabulous job with it. We're going to do the same type of thing. You're going to do a pre-draft, you're going to write the first copy on scrap paper, and then you're going to do that second copy. Because if you think about it, you do that in the classroom too. You write in your writer's notebook or your yellow pad, and then you type the second copy on the computer. So same thing, except we're going to think that the computer is going to be the PSSA booklet. But anyway, here's our math. I'm going to start off with two easy ones, rectangles. Remember, the base times the height is equal to the area. So my first problem here, the yellow one, I have 3 centimeters for my base and I have 5 centimeters for my height. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15 centimeters squared. Don't forget the unit like you were doing in class today. The second one down here, the red one, I have an 8 centimeters times a 6 centimeters, which is equal to 48 centimeters squared. Very simple, just taking the base times the height to get the shape of those, to get the area of those two shapes. The next one I have here, and let me erase my marks. I have two triangles, and I've already done the rectangles for you. So I had this original yellow rectangle, and triangle, put the green around it. That gave me a base of 4 centimeters. It gave me a height of 6 centimeters. Knowing that I have 1/2 base times height, 4 times 6 equals 24, but half of that gives me 12 centimeters squared. Half of it, just for the area of a triangle. Over here I have 3 centimeters for a height. I have 7 for my base. 7 times 3 is 21. Half of 21, 10.5 centimeters squared. So when you're doing your triangles tonight, think about making a rectangle, finding out the area, finding out the height, and then doing the base and taking half of it for your triangles. And now the beloved ones that we love so much today. I didn't even put units on here for you. If we look at our parallelograms, we want to look to see where can we cut it so that we can put it over on the other side, just like we did last year. For this first one here, I'm going to simply make a straightest line as I can, and I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to bring it over to here, and that's going to give me my height, or the rest of it to make a rectangle. For this one, we're just going to do the length times the base equals the area squared. So just think about that. Here's where I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to bring that over here to make my rectangle. Over here on this one, I'm going to twist my head a little bit, just because I'm crazy and that's what I like to do. And I'm going to make that cut right here, again, because then this piece is going to come over here. And that's where my then becomes a rectangle, and all you're going to do is do length times base. Didn't count squares here, but I know you can count squares tonight. Take your time and really think about it. If you have questions, I should be on probably after about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight. Have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow. Get some good sleep.